Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to check on downy mildew on cabbage and other brassica crops. First, downy mildew is a fungal-like disease caused by the pathogen Hyaloparanospora parasitica, which primarily affects brassica crops such as cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. It can be a serious problem, especially in environments with cool, moist conditions, as the pathogen thrives in such conditions. Symptoms of downy mildew *. There are several symptoms, but we're going to discuss few of them. Downy mildew affects both the leaves and stems of the plant, and the symptoms can vary depending on the severity of the infection. Common symptoms include yellowing of leaves. The first visible sign of downy mildew is the yellowing of the leaves, particularly along the leaf veins. The yellowing often starts small patches on the upper surface of the leaf, and the tissue between the veins may also appear pale or discolored. Angular, irregular leaf spots. As the disease progresses, angular, irregular leaf spots may form. These spots are often bordered by the veins of the leaf, giving them a distinctive appearance. The spots may be light yellow or brown in color. White, powdery growth on the underside of leaves. The most characteristic symptom of downy mildew is the appearance of a white or grayish powdery growth on the underside of the leaves star. This growth is the spore-producing structure of the pathogen. The fungus produces spores that spread to other parts of the plant and to neighboring plants. Leaf curling and deformation. As the disease advances, the affected leaves may become curled or deformed due to the fungus produces spores that spread to other parts of the plant and to neighboring plants. Leaf curling and deformation. As the disease advances, the affected leaves may become curled or deformed due to the overall vigor of the plant may decline, resulting in poor head formation and reduced yield. Death of older leaves *. In severe cases, the affected leaves will die off, leading to defoliation, loss of leaves, which can cause the plant to collapse and die. Causes of downy mildew. Downy mildew is caused by the water mold pathogen Hyaloparanospora parasitica, which is an oomycete, a type of fungus-like organism. The disease is favored by cool, damp conditions and can spread rapidly under the right environmental conditions. Key factors that contribute to the development and spread of downy mildew include high humidity and moisture. The pathogen thrives in cool, moist conditions, temperatures between 55 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 13 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius, and high humidity, especially when there is consistent leaf wetness. Overhead irrigation or heavy rainfall can increase the risk of infection. Poor air circulation. Crowded planting * can create a humid microenvironment, which is ideal for the pathogen to thrive and spread. Lack of good airflow around the plants increases the moisture on the leaves and encourages the growth of the fungus. Infected seeds or transplants. Downy mildew can be introduced to a field or garden through infected seeds or transplants. If plants are not properly inspected or sanitized, they can harbor the pathogen and spread it to healthy crops. Contaminated tools and equipment. Pathogen can spread through contaminated tools, hands, or equipment. If tools are used on infected plants and then used on healthy ones without cleaning, the disease can spread easily. Favorable weather * rainy weather, especially combined with cool temperatures, creates the perfect conditions for downy mildew to spread quickly through spores carried by wind and water. * solutions and management strategies for downy mildew. Effective management of downy mildew involves a combination of preventive measures, cultural practices, and chemical control. Here are the main strategies for controlling downy mildew. 1. Resistant varieties. Plant-resistant varieties. Some cabbage and other brassica crops are bred for resistance to downy mildew. When available, these varieties can significantly reduce the risk of infection. Always check with local agricultural extension services or seed catalogs for information on disease-resistant crops. 2. Crop rotation. Rotate crops to avoid planting cabbage or other brassica crops in the same soil year after year. This helps break the disease cycle, as the pathogen can overwinter in the soil or on plant debris. Rotate with non-cruciferous crops, such as legumes or cereals, to reduce the pathogen's ability to survive in the soil. 3. Proper spacing and air circulation. Space plants properly to ensure good air circulation around them. This helps reduce the humidity around the plants and prevents prolonged leaf wetness, which is a major factor in the development of downy mildew. Avoid overcrowding plants, which can trap moisture and create an ideal environment for fungal growth. 4. Watering practices. Use drip irrigation instead of overhead watering to minimize the moisture on the leaves.